we have a lot of gadgets, right?
Yep.
And even 5 years ago, there wasn't really a thought other than, oh, I just need a charger, I can plug them in. Well, that does not work for everybody nowadays. So we have our storage batteries, our power banks, so to speak. Here's the deal. One isn't enough. Sometimes you need more than one.
Yep.
What he said. So we're going to talk about that today on this episode of Good Tech Cheap.
Welcome to Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Adron.
I'm your host, Kevin.
Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please click like, subscribe, and that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
Because if you do, you're going to learn about things like what we're going to share with you right now. We have a lot of gadgets, and sometimes we have more than one laptop, more than one tablet, and various other things that we need to get charged.
Yes.
So what we're going to talk about today is the INIU portable charger. This is a 2-pack. The slimmest and lightest chargers that you can get.
Yes.
USB-C compatible. That is very powerful.
Phone external battery pack compatible with an iPhone 13, 12, 11 Pro, Samsung S20, Google, LG, iPad, and tablet.
So pretty much all of your devices are going to work. And it's not that you can just plug them in and, oh look, they're charging. Different devices have different power levels that they're going to be able to function best on.
Yeah.
I'm going to talk a little bit about why INIU is actually a really great choice. So you have worry-free charging for all of your devices.
Because not everything has a power level of over 9,000. First off, this is a safe Fast Charge Pro. So you're going to get the safest charging with over 38 million global users. That's 38 million global users. INIU,
You can trust those people.
Oh yeah, and you can trust INIU as well. They use the highest grade materials, so they have confidence to provide an industry-leading 3-year warranty. Yeah, 3-year warranty for these power banks. If you don't like it within 2.5 years, you got 6 more months to trade it in.
And most of the time you don't get any warranty at all, and you know, sometimes we look for a really good deal for a power bank, and you get one and you're happy with it, and then 6 months goes by and, oh look, it's running out of juice a lot faster, it's taking longer to charge, it's actually not holding a charge, and it's like, oh well.
Oopsie baby.
Yeah, well, you don't have to worry about that with this tech. And as I mentioned, sometimes one charger is not enough, so what we're talking about today is a package deal where you get 2 chargers for one low price.
Oh yes. Yeah, so you're gonna get 2 ultra slim chargers, 2 at once, the thinnest you've ever seen.
You'll see.
It's super thin.
Yep.
In terms of the power banks on the market. Easily to slip into any pocket or bag, enjoy days worth of charging capacity, each enough to top up an iPhone 8 over 3.5 times.
Not bad. And if you have a Samsung phone, you're looking at 2 charges, and if you have an iPad, you're going to get that fully charged.
No problem.
Very good deal.
It's pretty good.
And we're also talking about high efficiency too. We're talking faster charging because of the special tech that is built into both of these chargers. Another thing to point out is their special U-Power, is what they call it. And that's the thing I was mentioning a little bit earlier in this video, where if you have devices that operate best at certain power levels, there is auto detection technology in both of the power banks that adjusts to those power levels. So, you know, your smartwatch, your earbuds, your fitness tracker, your laptop, your tablet, your phone, they're all going to have slightly different capabilities, and these power banks are going to be able to meet them wherever they happen to be.
Yep. It also has a AAA high-speed charge, so outpace any of your friends' charge with 1.4 times faster charging U-Power technology. Also has wider compatibility, unlike most market power banks that aren't really capable of like low current accessories. INIU portable charger can work with not only phones, tablets, but Bluetooth headphones as well.
There you go.
Yeah.
Wide range.
Very wide range.
And, well, what you get is pretty neat too. You get 2 chargers, count them, you get 2 of them, 2 USB-C cables, You get a travel pouch, your user manual to make sure you're using everything the way you're supposed to. For whatever reason you don't like it, there's a 30-day immediate money-back guarantee, and then you got that warranty that Adron mentioned.
Oh yeah, and lifetime technical support.
All decent.
All decent. So, you know, when I first read all this description stuff, I initially expected this to be like maybe $50, $75 or something. Turns out it's $34.99.
If you don't believe us, click on that link in the description below. You'll see for yourself. For the fact that you get 2 chargers and the cables are included, and they have that much power and that dynamic range and compatibility, $34.99 is a really good price.
Yeah.
Click on that link. You'll see.
All right. Let's test them out, shall we?
Why the heck not? Woo. I'm gonna go this way.
Hi. This is a small power bank.
Yeah, but I bet it packs a lot of punch.
Oh yeah, it does. All right, let's test out how big of a punch you pack, good sir. So let's start.
Oh, that's connected.
The little paw lights up. And then let's put another one here. They label which side. And
No one ever does that right, though.
yeah, right. And shows you that it's on.
Oh, it's definitely on.
Yeah, if it's out of battery, you can just put it back in, charge it, and it'll tell you. And finally, you can put this in right here, which is great for laptops, which is what I'm about to charge. Yes.
So you're going to charge 3 different devices on that power bank.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, so first let's, I just wanted to plug this in too, just to show you, like, you don't need these brands of chargers to use the power bank. You can use the power bank with the chargers you have, but these cables are really nice too. So
They are.
first I'm gonna charge my AirPods right here. So just plug this guy in. And are you charging? Oh, it's charging. Look, hey bud.
Cool.
Done. Next, let's plug in my second set of headphones. You have that where it's like you have one set of headphones for your phone and one set of headphones for like your laptop, because I do. Because I don't want to deal with that. So
Oh, that's because you're too cool for school.
hey. Oh hey, look. It's charging. No problem.
Sweet.
Yeah. It shows you too. Lastly, I want to charge my laptop because that has a little more power to it. So let's grab this too. Now ideally you'd be having it somewhere else, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna have it right here. So let's grab my laptop. Great. So we have my laptop right here. Oh
Good.
hey laptop, how's it going? That's me, the Mac guy. And just gonna plug it in. 3, 2, 1.
We all heard that note of confirmation, and there's the charging icon.
Yes.
So you're charging, to recap, a Mac laptop, earbuds,
And a set of and AirPods.
not
Yeah.
bad.
Yeah, so as you can see, your products don't have to be Apple, they don't have to be Android. They can be whatever you have, and they'll all charge. That was some fast charging.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Easy to use, and I love the fact you get 2. And once again, that price, $34.99. That is not bad. Click on that link, you'll see.
All right. Well, that has been this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Thank you so much to INIU for sponsoring this video. If you would like the INIU portable charger, click on that link in the description below, get more info, and buy one for yourself.
There you go. Also, 'tis the season if you want to give a gift to somebody, because everybody has a lot of, I'm going to use the word now, gadgets. Makes a great gift. Very useful. Extremely useful.
Yes. All right. Well, from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Adron.
I've been your host, Kevin.
Stay safe
Be kind.
and have a nice day.
See you next time.
Bye.